Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video I am going to create this makeup look as you can see right here. But not only that, I'm going to give you guys some brush recommendation along with demonstration as well. So in today's video, I will be using all these Plum brushes. I absolutely love them. You guys know these brushes are really good quality. I have been using them for really long time, a couple of months. And I have to say, I absolutely love their brushes. And when Plum reached out to me for this collaboration, I was more than excited because you guys know I always talk about their brushes. I always use them on my channel. So I am really excited to talk about each and every brush, how I use them. So let's get into the video now. Also, if you are someone who's new to my channel and you saw me for the first time, thank you so much for watching. And if you end up liking the video or if you end up liking my content, you can hit the subscribe button, along with that the notification bell as well. So let's get started with the video now. So first, in order to create this makeup look, I obviously went in with a primer. So the primer I used is the Plum Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer, and I absolutely love it. This is a really nice moisturizing primer that not only moisturizes your skin, at the same time it nourishes and hydrates, and also your foundation sits really nicely on top of your skin. And to apply the primer, I use the Plum P05 brush. As you can see, this is a flat brush. You can use this to just apply your foundation or your primers or your just skincare as well. I absolutely love how this made my moisturizer or the primer sit so nicely on my skin. My skin just absorbed the primer really well, and you can see that after applying the primer, my skin feels extremely hydrated, nourished, and it left with a nice glowy look too. So you can use this brush for your primers, for your skincare moisturizers. Even I like to use this sort of flat brush to apply face masks too. So this is a very nice multi-purpose brush that you can use in various different ways. So the next product I went in is with a BB cream. Now with BB creams, what happens is that if you use a beauty blender, it kind of tends to soak up a lot of product. So today I use the Plum P03 brush. Now with this brush, it is so easy to blend out your foundation, BB cream, or any sort of CC cream tinted moisturizers as well. It just takes a couple of seconds to blend your foundation really nicely and evenly on your skin, and your foundation looks very airbrushed. Also, this doesn't soak up your foundation like any other beauty blender would. So you can go in circular motions and apply your foundation or your BB cream with this brush, and as you can see, this brush really leaves a nice flawless finish to your foundation. Even if you use a foundation, high coverage foundation, BB cream tinted moisturizer, you can use this brush with anything. So the next brush that I went in to apply my concealer, this is the Plum P23 brush. Now you can see the shape of this brush. I absolutely love it. It has this nice tapered shape which helps to blend out the concealer really nice. If you use a concealer brush, make sure your brush is nice and tapered like this one, because this actually you can use it for setting your under eyes as well. Not only blending out your concealer, but you can use this to set your under eyes. It has a nice fluffy feel to it, along with it being tapered in the end. So what happens is that it gets into the corners, nooks and corners around your eyes, and applies the product really nicely in those areas as well. The next brush that I went in is with a bronzer brush. So this is the Plum P02 brush. You can use this for your cream bronzer and for your powder bronzer as well. Today I went in with a cream bronzer, and it leaves such a nice subtle look. I absolutely love it because this brush has a little bit of angle to it, which makes your bronzer application really easy. You can use this for your contour and for your blush too if you would like. I mean, honestly, these are really multi-purpose brush. Also, they are extremely soft and blends out your product really nicely into your skin. So I absolutely love this brush for my bronzer, and I think you guys have seen me use this brush before as well, many times on this channel. So yeah, absolutely love this brush for my bronzer. So the next brush I went in with this Plum P01 brush. Now I use the Plum Lipstick High Tea. I have been loving this lipstick so much. It's a beautiful nude lipstick. Now I use that lipstick today for my blush, and you can see I applied the lipstick really on the high points because I really want the nice lifted look. So I blended it out with this Plum P01 brush. Now this brush is extremely multi-purpose too, because not only you can use this for your blush, but you can use this to powder down your face as well. I didn't use it today to powder down my face because you guys know I don't like to use that much of powder on my face, but you can use this to overall dust your powder on your face. You can use this for your blush too. So again, I feel like having this sort of fluffy brush in your collection is such a need. It's such an essential, I would say, because honestly I love this brush for a lot of purposes. And you can use this for your cream blush, you can use this for your powder blush too. The next brush that I used today here is the Plum P04 brush. Now this brush is actually really good for precision work. Why I say that is because of the shape. It is a flat shape brush that you can use it to nicely contour, precisely contour, I would say, your cheekbones. Now today I used it to clean my cheekbone area. I like to clean my cheekbone area sometimes if I feel like my bronzer is all over the place. I love to clean my cheekbone area. So this brush is perfect for that, and not only that, you can use this to contour your nose too. So again, this is a really nice brush to do precision work. And if you are someone who's a makeup artist, or you like to do really nice creative look, glam looks, I feel like this brush is going to be a really nice essential for you, because it is going to help you give that precision to your makeup. So after my face makeup is done, I moved in with my eyes. So obviously first for my eyes, I use the eyebrow brush. Now this brush is extremely good because in one brush you get this dual ended side. So in one side you have this angle brush where you can apply this, apply your eyebrow powder with this brush, and the next is this spoolie, which I absolutely love, by the way. So I like to use the angle brush for doing a little bit of smoked out liner as well. Again, you can use these brushes in various multiple ways. Today I used it to apply a little bit of a brow powder on my eyebrows, and I went in with the spoolie. The spoolie is really good because it helps you, to brush up your eyebrows, and not only that, to give you a nice soft blend whenever you are going overboard with your eyebrow powder. Maybe it gives a really nice soft blend. After doing my eyebrows, I went in with my eyeshadow, obviously. So for eyeshadow, I went in with the green eyeshadow first, and I blended the green eyeshadow into my crease with the Plum P07 brush. Now this brush is actually quite fluffy, and it's a little bit bigger in size. So with this brush you can blend your eyeshadow all over your crease. It gives a very nice soft blend effect. It's not meant for precision work. It's just a eyeshadow brush that any first color you can use it in your initial eyeshadow process. You can use this brush to blend any eyeshadow all over your eyes. So after blending the green all over my eyes, I went in with the Plum P22 brush. Now this brush is a little bit more precise than the previous brush I used. So what this does is actually it blends out only in areas where you would want the color to be blended. Not all over your eyes, but it helps you with the precision blending too. So I absolutely love this brush because you can go in with a clean brush and just clean out the edges of your eyeshadow look to just give you that more blended effect. So the next brush I went in, it is a must-have in my collection, I would say, is a flat shader brush. Now this is the Plum P09 brush. Now this brush, I would say, is extremely amazing because you can use this for your matte eyeshadows, for your shimmer eyeshadows, anything that you really want that kind of pigment on your lids, you can use this. So today I went in with a blue shade, the aqua blue shade that I have going on. So I used it for that. So I just tapped the blue color into the eyes with this brush, and it really gave a nice pigmented effect. At the same time, it blended out the edges too because it is flat, but at the same time it has a little bit of that soft fluffy effect to it, which helps out to blend your eyeshadows, at the same time give you that pigment too. So after laying out the blue and the green, you guys know I absolutely love a nice smoky liner with the eyeshadow effect. I love that. And to create that liner look, I use the Plum P08 brush. Now you can see that this brush is very tiny. Again, really nice to blend out really small areas. Now this is a pencil brush, but it's so tiny and so small that it helps to create a nice soft blend effect, at the same time give you that precision too. So as you can see, I am putting this across my eyes and this instantly creates a nice soft blend effect to my eyeliner, but at the same time it doesn't take away the pigment of the eyeshadow. So that way it's really good. So the next brush that I have is again something that I feel like is a need. So this is the Plum P14 brush. Now this one is extremely good for liquid liners. If you are someone who struggles applying liquid liners, I feel like you should give this brush a try because this brush is extremely precise. Now you can use any liner, liquid liner that you have in your collection with this brush. You know, it can be any colored liner, black liner, brown liner, and I feel like you are going to get that precision. Also, it has a nice angle to it which helps you to, you know, give you that really nice wing, that sharp wing look. And because of the angle that this has, again the precision of your liner is going to be amazing. So I think that this liner brush is also a really nice, you know, nice to have in your eye brush collection. Last eyeshadow brush that I use today is the Plum P24. Now you can see that this is not like a pencil brush. It is a little bit more fluffy. Now you can use this for your lower lashes, like to, you know, just blend out your lower lashes and give that smoky effect on your lower lashes. Or you can use this to blend out your upper lashes as well, just to give you again that smoky type of an effect where you have that pigment of the shadow but at the same time you want really nice blend. I feel like this brush is perfect for that. So after I was done with my eyeshadow, I went in with my lipstick. So for lipstick, I actually had these 3 lipstick from Plume. I love these shades so much. I feel like these shades are beautiful. I have a wine shade in here, a brown shade, brown red shade, and a nude shade. I absolutely love the tones of this lipstick. So today I went in with 2 shades, which is High Tea, and I went in with Coffee Date. I feel like both the combo of this lipstick is just beautiful. You guys know I love a good warm tone brown nude. So I feel like both this lipstick created such a nice brown, beautiful nude warm tone effect. I love how this matches and complements the eye look too, because it's not too much. I feel like the brown really matches with the eye green, you know, eye, and it balances out the green too. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave all the links of the Plume brushes down below, as you guys always keep on asking me, you know, what brushes to use for which purpose. I hope this video helped you in some way, and if it did, let me know about it in the comments down below, and I would love to hear your opinions as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.